Hello, it's Lee here from Webber's Estate Agents, and I've got a real treat for you coming to the market very shortly. I'm sat in this beautifully presented maisonette set in the heart of the popular coastal village of Mort Ho, which enjoys excellent views out over the Bristol Channel and towards the rugged coastline. Now, this property blends old period Victorian charm with modern chic elegance. We've got this fantastic living room that I'm sat in here with this great feature fireplace. Behind me, there's a superb modern fitted kitchen with a central island unit, perfect for modern day family living. Now, the accommodation here is arranged over 2 floors, and there are 3 generous sized ensuite bedrooms. The property sits in a quiet and tucked away position, yet is close to some of the fantastic walks that Mort Ho offers, and of course the world-class golden sand surfing beaches at Woolacombe are just a short distance away. Outside there's parking for 2 cars and lovely communal gardens at the rear. So I'm going to give you a sneak preview now. That's coming up in just a moment, but to register your interest in this one, please do call us on 01 271 863 091. Many thanks.